even though many people say that anyone can start a YouTube channel, and it is, it doesn't take a lot to start. But I think the truth is, it is difficult. I mean, if you have to keep up with uploading a video a week, um, and you haven't really found like an editor or like a system that really blends into your schedule, it is hard. I still remember in the beginning, I really tried to upload a video once a week, and I was totally burning out. I was having a lot of fun, but at the same time, I was also burning out, and I was also missing a lot of time with my loved ones because, with kids and, with your partner and everything else going on. So it is actually not that easy, especially if you're, like me, middle-aged and not really single. There's just a lot going on. So it is not easy. It's been really hard for me. So I also stopped posting for some weeks. I'm just trying really hard to get back on track now. I'm trying. I just decided to take a walk, come out here to the beach. I just needed some fresh air, I mean, I just need to clear my head and just work on my inner game, and tell myself that I got this, and that everything is going to be okay, and that everything is temporary, that I will find solutions to all these problems, and I'll just ride it out. So it's almost like 10, I think. Definitely after 9:30, and I haven't had dinner. Didn't really have the appetite, to eat with the family and the kids. Didn't really want to spend time with them when I'm not exactly at my best. Like, I don't want to affect them, and at the same time, I am so exhausted, like, in every single way you can imagine, that I don't want to pretend to be happy at the dining table. So I just thought maybe I'll just not have dinner with them tonight, which is really, really rare because I always make sure that I am available and that I show up and that I'm there for them no matter how bad things get or how chaotic life gets sometimes. But I think tonight I just really need some self time. I just really can't do it. So I just bought some sushi, and look, I just finished a little bit. I still have 2 there. It's tomago, and I guess I'm just gonna finish up and then sit here some more and just think and relax and learn to be present and calm down. And I just want to say, if any one of you guys feels like this sometimes, that it is okay, that you don't need to put up that mask or your armor and do things that you don't want to do if you feel like you're not ready or you just want to spend some time alone. I think this is also our body telling us and our mind telling us that it's okay to time out from time to time. And that's all I want to say. Thank you so much, guys, for being here with me. And I'm gonna finish up my tomago sushi and hang out here some more